Hi everyone, it's Mehdi from SolarEx. This is a very common question, especially during rainy seasons and cloudy weather like we have today here in Berkeley. How long before rain should silicone roof coating be applied? You may see some silicone data sheets claim things like rain safe in 1 hour. And while that can be true, it's important to understand that those claims are based on ideal conditions. Proper temperature, controlled humidity, correct film thickness, and dry light rain. Real job sites aren't always ideal. That's why our recommendation for SiliconEx 500 is simple and conservative. Allow at least 24 hours with no rain after application. This ensures proper curing and long-term performance, especially on commercial roofs where failures are costly. Applying silicone too close to rain can lead to issues like surface cratering, pinholes, weak spots, and cosmetic defects that can later turn into real performance problems. So while silicone is very moisture tolerant, timing still matters. Plan around the weather, give the coating enough time to cure, and you will get the performance SiliconEx 500 is designed to deliver. If you have questions about timing or site conditions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. Questions, comment below, like it, hit like, subscribe if you want more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.